Welcome to an exclusive investment opportunity at 2376 to 2396 Cabrera Avenue in San Bernardino, California. This industrial property is available at a compelling purchase price, offering direct access to the Route 66 corridor, proximity to major logistics hubs, and a strong local employment base. Let's take a closer look at what makes this asset stand out. This property delivers a powerful combination of economics, physical footprint, and strategic positioning. With attractive pricing per square foot, a substantial building area, and flexible site configuration, it offers immediate value for owner users and investors alike. Its location within one of Southern California's most active industrial corridors adds a layer of long-term upside that's hard to ignore. Now let's talk about network and access. The property sits within the Route 66 corridor, one of the Inland Empire's most connected industrial arteries. Freeway adjacency to the I-10 and I-215 provides seamless east-west and north-south distribution capability. Add in proximity to San Bernardino International Airport and BNSF rail facilities, and you have a truly multimodal logistics position. To visualize this connectivity, consider the concentric rings around the property. Within just a few miles, you can reach multiple freeway on-ramps, the BNSF intermodal facility, and San Bernardino International Airport. Expanding outward, Ontario International Airport and the broader Southern California freight network come within easy reach. This is infrastructure-rich positioning at its finest. Looking at the broader market, San Bernardino's zip code 92411 presents a compelling demographic profile. The area features a growing population, rising income trajectory, and favorable housing cost ratios that support workforce retention. Climate risk assessments also remain manageable, adding stability to your long-term investment thesis. The local economic engine further strengthens this opportunity. Major employers in the region span logistics, healthcare, education, and government sectors, collectively supporting tens of thousands of jobs. This diversified employment base ensures consistent demand for industrial space and reduces exposure to any single industry downturn. From a financial perspective, this acquisition offers strong fundamentals. The pricing reflects current market conditions while leaving room for value-add strategies through lease-up, property improvements, or operational repositioning. Whether you're seeking cash flow or long-term appreciation, this deal checks both boxes. Don't miss your chance to secure this strategic dual-path industrial asset in San Bernardino. Contact our team today to schedule a tour, review the full offering memorandum, or discuss how this property fits into your portfolio. The opportunity is here. Let's make it yours. Ready to schedule a tour? Contact us today at 951-977-3251 to set up a tour.